Yes, today is a beautiful day. Everlove TV is right here at the Keta Ports and Harbour Authorities office. And you know, it has been a news all over Ghana that Keta will be getting a port. Today we are here at their office, a newly built office for Keta Port and Harbour. So we are here to see how the whole surrounding is, and we are going to see the dimension or the area that the port is going to cover today. And my name is Francis Everlove T, and it's Everlove TV on Facebook, Everlove TV on YouTube. Remember to subscribe to our channel and then be part of this great channel, because we will go in there and then see everything about this place, Keta Port and Harbour. Are we certainly sure that after building this for us, next 2 years, next month, the work will be starting over here? So we're going to go in and then see how good is this facility and how is this going to help us to achieve the ports in Keta municipality. We will show you the surrounding. Remember, Everlove TV, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to be part of this great family, because we have more videos to bring to you. Let's go on and check everything about this facility over here from Keta Port and Harbors. Thank you. Kati. I told you we go over here and then tell you everything about this office. We are climbing to the office. So let's go on and then see how the whole surrounding is. Keta Port and Harbour. Everlove TV is here to bring you every video concerning Keta Port. Whatever we do, we show it to you today over here. So let's go and then have the view. As you can see, here are some of the office. These containers have been built very well to suit this over here. Keta Port and Harbour is going to help build this place, Keta municipality. And I'm sure if these ports has been able to come here, Keta municipality will be a place to call about. You know, it has been in the news that there was a port over here before. So is this port coming to Keta municipality will still help Keta? You know, Keta has been the regional capital for Volta region, but because of the tidal wave that happens some years back, the capital has been moved to Ho. So is Keta coming back to normal places? That we should see that the port is coming to revive the whole municipal. And then, so let's come over here. Let's see this thing. Yeah, this is GPHA, Ports of Keta Project Office. So you can see Ports of Keta Project Office, and it signifies that this is going to be the office for them. Here is where the director of Keta Port will be, for them to see how the project will start, how the project will go on. So let's pray for Keta. I think it will be very nice thing if this port come over here, maybe the next 2, 3, or 1 year or 2 years later, and then we'll be able to see something over here as Keta Port. It will be something to write home about. So let's go on, and we are going on to tell you everything about here. We will show you the surrounding of Keta Port. Let's go. Kate. I'm saying that we are going to show you the whole surrounding. As you can see, this place is all going to be the port of Keta. As you can see, and we show you surrounding. Look at this side. As you check this place, this is the sea. The sea is down there, as you can see. So we show you everything about this place, and then since the ports, the office of the Keta Port has been established, has been built down, it is going to be definitely that maybe something will be coming over maybe within 2-3 years later. So the whole of you watching this video, remember to subscribe. You know, subscribing to this channel will help us to grow more and then have you more videos surrounding the whole Ghana and beyond. Thank you. So let's go on and then have a view of the Keta Port. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. As I'm saying, this is the signboard post which shows that the facility will be coming here shortly. There's a site for Keta Port of the port of Keta. Keep off. It shows clear that this place has been demarcated for the port of Keta, and it's going to help build this great kingdom. So we are only sure that Or we are only hoping that something should start happening in the municipality, or maybe by next 6 months we start seeing the machines coming in for construction to start. So Keta Port and Harbour, you want to know everything about Keta Port and Harbour, and you want to know everything concerning the Anglo or the Volta region, every news concerning this place. Everlove TV is right here to bring it to you. So remember to subscribe. You know, I keep on saying remember to subscribe because I want you to subscribe and then support us to give you, like I said, Keta Port and Harbour has a very big land over here. What I know for this port is that after seeing the site plan of the port, we understand that this very bridge, the very bridge that has linked the sea and then the lagoon, will be converted to another thing, which will be said the bridge will be somehow bigger to the extent that when ships come from the sea, they can pass through under the bridge and then enter into the lagoon and then dock over here. So it is something that I've seen on the project, the site project, the projects, that this whole bridge will be turned to another thing altogether. Will be something way above top, and then the ships can pass through under it and then go and dock at this lagoon side. So it is something I want you to see how precious this Keta port will be, and I want you to brief you how the whole thing will look like. So let's go over and then show you the whole bridge and how the bridge looks like, and how are they going to change it. How can they change this to become a place for a walkway, or should I say a place for the ship to pass through and then dock into the lagoon. So let's go on and watch the whole surrounding over here. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV. It's a YouTube channel and then a Facebook channel. Like our page on Facebook and then subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first person to see the video. Thank you. Remember, you watching our video or subscribing to our channel is a great support you are giving to us. So thank you so much. Share the link and then invite someone to join this great Everlove TV channel. Thank you.